Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today, the learners of P5 are going to do the weather forecasting.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Bisma Ali and I am the student of class 5. Today I am here to tell you about the weather forecast of rainy day. It is raining outside. It is a rainy weather. We should avoid going outside. We should enjoy the day with pakoras. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anika Ali and I am the student of class 5. As you all know that the sun is shining bright outside and it's a very sunny weather. We should avoid going outside, and if it's very necessary to go, we should apply sunscreen and we should drink plenty of water to get hydrated. And we should enjoy this day with ice creams and cold things.
Hello, children.
Are you excited?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal-adiyati zabha, fal-muriyati qadha, fal-mughirati subha.
In a way that we have to say Alhamdulillah.
First, after drinking water, we have to say Alhamdulillah. And
Very good.
we have to drink in 3 sips.
Yes.
First sip, Subhanallah.
Very good.
Second sip, Alhamdulillah. And the third, Allahu Akbar.
Very good, Aris. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Vanya and I am from LS2. Today we are going to be performing an experiment on finding the hydrogen gas. Here we have powdered metal and dilute acid. When both of them react, hydrogen gas forms. As you can see, the hydrogen gas has been formed. You just heard the sound. This means the hydrogen gas is confirmed.
Yes, Stefan. Exam style question.
Better idea of what's going on.
If someone's got Alzheimer's disease,
Okay, so I'm assigning you some tasks related to AI. For example, Nabia, can you use ChatGPT? Okay, and Qasim, can you create a presentation using an AI tool?
I've been there to northern areas and it's a great place to visit and it's a tourist attraction in Pakistan.